Namaste Gurukulians. Hope all of you are okay at your home. Welcome back again in part 4 of the first chapter, Changing Trend and Career in Physical Education and Sports. It is of +1 class. In last part we completed that career opportunities like through physical education and sports, which career we can choose for our future to become successful. Last part we talk about the careers like as a coach, performance related career, health related career, and accept this that we talk about many authorities in colleges, in schools, elementary school, middle school, high school, senior secondary school. Opportunities are there in physical education and sports as a physical education teacher. Accept this, colleges, universities, sports campus are there, director of sports. Even in, if we talk about a state, districts are there, in districts stadiums are there, their DSO, district sports officer, coaches are there of different games, requirement is there of coaches. Or even we talk about that SAI, Sports Authority of India, formed in 1984 under the central government. So coaches requirement also there in SAI center, STC, Sports Authority of India training centers. Today we will talk about like there is no need to do any physical work in the job, but to think about the sports and to write about sports, business we can do in sports like through camera, sports broadcasting, or publication to write about the sports, or we give our book to any publication through that any school or any, we can say, board of school education, Haryana or central board, CBSE, they can use the books in the classes. So 3-4 things today we will talk. At first I will tell you about sports marketing. Okay, second one is there sports journalist or journalism, we can say sports journalism. Third one publication. Fourth one we will do sports broadcasting. So in physical education and sports we can choose these also as our career. Sports marketing, you know, nowadays it is the time life become very fast, or in less time we want good things if we are going to purchase anything. So sports marketing, journalist or journalism, you know, news channels are there. So the anchors, we can say them, journalist. Publication, write about physical education or in books to provide good knowledge to the people or students. Sports broadcasting, any tournament is going on, to broadcast that tournament match in proper way, like from the all angles we can cover the match, to provide that videography with audio to the people on TV. You know, many sports channels are there, 10 Sports, Star Sports, ESPN, DD Sports, many are there. So like this, as a career we can choose this one also. At first we will talk about sports marketing. Not only about marketing, sports marketing, many things. I will rub sports from here. Marketing. Marketing. So nowadays, it is a time of business also. People are going toward the modernization, and here is the scope. If you are having a keen interest in sports, or you involved in sports activity, you know about the sports, especially here we can say about the sports equipments. Okay, sports equipment, we can say all type of balls, safety equipment. Balls means like football, basketball, handball, cricket ball, many. Safety equipment like during the match, which equipment we used to protect ourselves from the injury. You know that sports game vigorous activities are there, or during that activity if that safety equipments are not there, like if I am give you example of cricket. In cricket, helmet is not there. You know about, maybe from Australia one cricketer was there, I forgot the name. He used all the equipment while he was playing on that time, but what happened, the bowler ball him that bouncer, or that ball directly hit on his neck, or after some time he died. So safety equipments are very necessary during the games and sports, like while we are playing. Except this, we can say shoes, gym equipment, and game equipment means not that for safety of sports person, like a goal post. If a person having a proper knowledge of a goal post, which material he have to use to make a goal post, volleyball pole, basketball pole, board, handball goal post, even that net also, which are used in volleyball also, football also to cover the goal post, handball also to cover the goal post, hockey also. Okay, so if the person having knowledge about these things in this field, he can open a manufacturing factory also. In factory he can make these type of equipment, or to provide the sports persons. Second one thing, marketing, the ability of showing and advertising. What is marketing? The ability of showing and advertising a company's product. In a possible way. way. It is the definition of marketing, the ability of showing, show karna to the people, to the we can say owner of the shop. Advertising, to advertise about the equipment, like which equipment we are providing in our factory, या making in our factory, that is of the best quality. It is we made on behalf of scientific way, that to protect the sports person, the shoes is appropriate according to the game and sports. Like this type of advertising a company's product, any company we can say. Nowadays if you talk about Nike, Adidas, Puma, even Asics, Mizuno. If local we can say in India, Spartan, Shiv Naresh, Shiv Charan, Dida. These are the local one. Many more are there, but if we talk about higher level of, like in Olympic level, Commonwealth Games, any national, senior national, or many other tournament, they are, you will see the advertisement of these sports companies. Or in our local in India, you will watch these one, with that we can say Costco also. Okay, if we are showing the ability, the showing and advertising the product of this thing, this company's product in a possible way, so it means it is a marketing of sports. So here we will add the word sports marketing. I will write sports marketing. Okay, next one, I will tell you about sports marketing. About marketing, sports, we will add with that sports word with marketing. Marketing is the study is the study and management of company product. It is process, it is the business process, we can say. It is the business process of identify, anticipating or satisfying and satisfying the customer need and want. Marketing is the study and management of company's product. With company product we can say relationship also. Relationship between a customer and the person who is doing the marketing, who is doing the advertising, or relationship with that equipment, the product which he is showing to the person, like why that product is beneficial for the customer, why that customer have to purchase only that equipment which is showing by the advertising, marketing, the person who is showing the product. So marketing is the study and management. Marketing is the study and management of relationships. Other thing, company's product, it is the business process of identifying, anticipating and satisfying the customer's need and wants, like what customer require. If that requirement is complete with the product, so it means the customer is satisfied, or he will purchase the thing, or he also advertise the product in sports society. Okay, next one we will do sports journalism. Sports journalism. Sports journalism, you know, sports journalism is the profession of sports journalism is the profession. Sports journalism is the profession of collecting and writing about news in newspaper and magazines or talking about that content or news on TV or radio. So here sports journalism means it is related with the games and sports. Any type of tournament is going on, like IPL, Pro Kabaddi, World Cup, cricket, FIFA World Cup, Euro Cup, baseball, softball, basketball, NBA, these type of tournament if going on, the person who is having knowledge about the games, only he can choose this field as a career, or they will write about all the things, like what was the performance of particular team in last year, or where he is standing in the tournament right now. These type of things they will write about the team, about the game, about the particular sports person, about the rules and regulation, about the federations also, like each game having their federations, like FIVB, Federation International Volleyball, VFI, Volleyball Federation of India, these type of federation also there. So write or talk about the sports, not only about that going on activity. Accept this, why it is necessary for the society to put out the ideas, what is reform we can do, what was the condition last time, now what is the change we can do in the games and sports, which facility is required for the game, these type of things about sports journalism. As you know, on news channel, you know, when World Cup is going on news channel, many anchor is there, 2-3 players he call about game and about team, even pre discussion they will do, or post discussion also they will do after completion of the match. This type of thing is, it is related to the sports journalism. Or we can say sports journalism, it is the production and distribution of current or past news. This thing also we can say, but we have to relate it with the sports. It is the definition only about the journalism. If we relate it with the sports, means sports, about sports we will talk about like this, so it is the sports journalism. So this is also a that career opportunity for the person who is having keen interest in games and sports, or who have knowledge about the games and sports. Now broadcasting. Sports broadcasting. Sports broadcasting, it is the distribution of audio or video content to the dispersed audience via electronic and mass communication medium. Medium, that broadcasting. So sports broadcasting, it is the distribution of audio or video. It is the distribution of audio or video content to the dispersed people or audience, we can say, via electronic or mass communication medium. Okay, sports broadcasting means with the camera. It is the distribution of audio or video, means at first we will record the video or what's going on, which type of match is going on, about that a audio we will add with the video, which will give the particular or proper knowledge about the games to the audience. Disperse means which is not in the totally know about the activity, not involved in that activity, to the people, those are not present on the ground. We can say audio or video content to the dispersed people, audience, we can say via electronic or mass communication medium. You know, nowadays there is a time of technology, so through TV or internet, through internet, any channel we can open in our cell phone also. So it is the sports broadcasting, give the information through video or audio to the people, to the audience, those having a interest in the game. Next one is publication. Publication, or we can say book writing. Publication or book writing. You know, we start studying from the school. What is the thing we are using for our study? That is book. Book, someone written that book, that's why it is in our bag, we are using it. So many philosophers, we can say, writers, we can say, which having a lots of knowledge about the topic, that they will divide the different topic in different chapters, or write the thing, or through any publication they will provide that book, or they will get profit also in that. The person who write the book or the publisher who is giving the book in market, people purchase that book, so commission is there. So it is also a career opportunity if you have a lots of knowledge, if you have a proper knowledge about the subject or about the topics which are related to the sports. So through books for the knowledge, we can say study in school, attach the people with game and sports. It is the aim, it is the purpose. Publication and book writing, you know about this. Write a book, write about sports and games. Publisher that publish a book. In book you will check that of first page that about writer or their degree information is given. So what is the purpose? Through these books writing or publication, we our knowledge gain, like that books are using by the organization or institution, or even our board also, Haryana board, CBSE board, Punjab board, many are there. Or attach the people with the games and sports. What is the topic given in the book? What is the topic or what is the chapter? If we study, we read about that, then it will gain our knowledge, it will attach us with that topic or about sports or about sports culture. Okay, it will give the knowledge what is the improvement came in games and sports, which new method came in games and sports, or to the people which are not interested, which don't know about games and sports. So through books or articles, they will get the knowledge about games and sports. So these are the career opportunities in physical education and sports we can choose for our future. In next topic we will do about the games and their respective federations. which competition is related to the particular game, like archery, handball, basketball, football, volleyball, badminton, lawn tennis, swimming. Our indigenous game also, kho kho, kabaddi. Their particular tournaments are there, like Rangaswamy Cup, Durand Cup related to football, Ranji Trophy related to cricket. Like this we will do in the next part. So for today this much. Read the thing properly, it is the easy thing. Easily you can found lots of knowledge, or even you know about this, because continuously you are involving in the activity at home or at school, in school also. Mobile you are using, on mobile you are watching something, it means you are watching a broadcast of any game and sports. Any book is you are reading, so it is publication or book writing. So these are the opportunity. We can say secondary one, their physical activities are not compulsory, like a performance related, a sports person have to perform, even officiating also perform his duty during the match, during the game. But it one secondary one, person having a knowledge, there is no need to do physical work to choose this career. Only they have to think or use best technology to come in this field. Okay, so today this much. We'll meet you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health.